Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, knowing our numbers topic we are going to learn. So in previous video we have completed level 1 worksheet. So here we are going to discuss problems in level 2 practice sheet. So here the question type is multi correct answer type questions, shortcut MCAT. Multi correct answer type. So here multi correct answer type means each question will be given 4 options. From that 4 options, one or more may be the correct answer. One or more may be the correct answer. So each question will be having 4 marks. So this MCAT question. Suppose if each question carries here 4 marks. So let's discuss this question types. So the Hindu Arabic numeral corresponding to XCII is greater than what? So they have given in the question XCII, which means X stands for 10. So this X stands for 10, C stands for 100, I stands for 1, another I stands for 1. But smaller number is coming in the beginning, so we have to do subtraction. So 100 minus 10 plus 1 equals to 90 plus 1 plus 1, 2 equals to 92. So the given Roman numeral equals to 92. But what they are asking, that 92 is greater than what? So option A 100, wrong. Greater than 91, correct. Greater than 99, wrong. Greater than 89, correct. So the correct options are B and D. If you bubble both B and D options, you will get 4 marks. Suppose if you bubble only one option, B, so then how the marking will be given? It is incomplete answer. You have kept the answer, but it is not the complete answer. It is incomplete answer. If you write incomplete answer, as many correct options are there, that many 1 marks will be given. So here B, you have written incomplete answer. Only one option you have written correct, so you will get only 1 mark. You will be losing 3 marks. You will be losing 3 marks. Suppose if you bubble B, comma A, 2 answers. Here B is correct, A is incorrect. If there is any incorrect answer in the options chosen by you, then you will get only 0 marks. So you should be very careful, children. Regarding this type of questions, you should be very careful. In multi-correct answer type questions, you will be losing the marks. Next. So 31. So which of the following numbers written in the Roman numerals system is or not correct? They are asking which of the following are not correct. So dx. What is dx? What is dx? D stands for 500. X stands for how much? 10. 510. 510. Correct answer. 510 correct answer. Here dxx. So 500 plus 10 plus 10. 520. Correct. ddx. Here we are having a rule that D should not be repeated. Here we are having a rule that D should not be repeated. But here D we have repeated. So it is wrong, not correct. So it is not correct. So VVX, V cannot be subtracted 2 times. V cannot be subtracted two times. So this is also not correct. But they are asking to choose which of the following is not correct. So this is not correct. This is not correct. These two are not correct, are not correct forms of representing Roman numerals. So these two are the answers. So C comma D is the correct option. Next. So which of the following Roman symbol can be repeated? Which of the following Roman symbol can be repeated? Which of the following can be repeated? We can repeat I, we can repeat X, we can repeat C. So 5 should not be repeated. So we have three options: A, C, D. A, C, D. So correct answer is A comma C comma D. If you choose three answers, you will get 4 marks. If you write only AC, one option, two options, two correct answers, 2 marks. If you choose only A, only one correct option, 1 mark. If you choose A comma D, D is wrong option, so you will get 0 mark. So like this you will get answers for multi-correct answer type questions. So next. So which of the following Roman numerals is incorrect? So which of the following is incorrect? So which of the following is incorrect, they are telling. 33. So XC. So XC, X can be subtracted. So XC means 100 minus 10, 90. So XD, how much? XD means X stands for 10, D stands for 500. So 500 minus 10, how much? 490. 500 minus 10, how much? 490. But for 90, what we have? But for 490 means it can be written as 400 plus 90. For 400, we have the symbol CD. For 90, we have the symbol of XC. So this is the representation of 490. So this is wrong. So wrong means this is not possible. This is wrong. Next. DM also not possible. DM also wrong. So VL also wrong. So because DM means how much? So here DM how much? So D stands for what? D stands for 500. D stands for 500. M stands for 1000. So less number is coming first. So we have to do subtraction. 1000 minus 500 equals to 500. But for 500, only symbol D is enough. 500 is represented by D, not by DM. So this is also incorrect. So VL, V stands for 5, L stands for 50. So subtraction. 50 minus 5, 45. But how to represent 45? For 45, we have XLV. XL stands for 40, V stands for 5. This is the symbol for 45. So this is wrong. So how many of them are incorrect? So we have B, C, D. 3 options, incorrect options. So B, C, D is the answer for this question. So next. So 34. So which of the following is meaningful? Which of the following is meaningful? Which of the following is meaningful? So VX. V stands for 5. X stands for 10. So as less number is coming first, subtraction 5. But 5 is represented by V. So this is not having any meaning. XV 15 having meaning. XXV having meaning. 25. XXV 35 having meaning. So B comma C comma D. These three options are having meaning. These three options are having meaning. So next. So which of the following is meaningful? Which of the following is meaningful? CI. CI stands for 101. Correct. CII stands for 102. Correct. IC. Here IC is wrong, children. IC means actually I stands for 1, C stands for 100. So this is 100 minus 1, 99. But how to represent 99? We can write 90 plus 9. 90 is what? XC. The XC stands for 90. 9 means IX. So XC IX stands for 99, not IC. So this is wrong. So XC 90, correct. So A option, B option, D option. So A comma B comma D are meaningful. So next, 35. So which of the following is meaningful? XIV. X means 10, IV means 4, 14. Meaningful. XVV. V cannot be repeated 2 times. Wrong. X10, III. 1 plus 1, 13. Correct. So here 20 plus 22. 22. Correct. So here 36 question. So which are meaningful? A, C, D. A, C, D. Options are meaningful. Correct answers. Next. So a medicine box. A medicine box consists of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 1 lakh tablets, each weighing 20 milligram. The weight of each tablet is 20 milligram. The weight of all the tablets in the box is how much? So the weight of all the tablets means how many tablets we have? We have 1 lakh tablets into each is having 20 mg. Each is having 20 mg weight. So 1 lakh into 20, it will become 20 lakhs. It will become 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs mg. Or, so we know that 1 gram equals to 1000 milligrams, or 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. 1000 grams. So here 2 after 6 zeros. So we can cancel, or we can write 2000 into 1000 milligrams we can write. Means 1000 milligrams turns into gram. 2000 grams. Or we can write 2 into 1000 grams. 2 into 1000 grams. Which means 1000 grams equals to kg or 2 kg. 2 kg. So we can have these answers. So the answers are 20 lakhs milligrams. A is correct option. 20 lakhs milligrams. A is correct option. So next. 2 kg. 2 kg is correct option. 2000 grams is correct option. So correct answers are, so A, B, D. A, B, D. A, B, D 3 are correct options. A, B, D 3 are correct options. So next, A, B, D. Next. So next, a petrol. A petrol tanker. A petrol tanker contains 20,000 liters of petrol. So we can express the quantity of petrol in what? We have 20,000 liters of petrol. We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, or 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters. We have these options. 20,000 liters. So 20,000 liters means, how can we express in these ways? So we can write 20 into 1000 liters, or 20 into, instead of 1000 liters I can keep 1 kiloliter, means 20 kiloliters. That is one possible answer. Or 20,000 into, instead of 1 liter, so instead of 1 liter we can represent 1000 milliliters. So 2 after 4 zeros, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Milliliters. 2 after 7 zeros milliliters, or 20 kiloliters. These two are the correct options. 20 kiloliters, 2 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ml. So B comma D are the correct answers. Next. So Priya read 38 pages of her storybook on Monday. She read 27 pages more on Tuesday. That on Monday, she found that there were still another 220 pages left. How many pages did Priya read on Tuesday? So here, so on Monday she has read 38 pages. On Tuesday, she has read 27 pages more than on Monday. Means 38 plus 27. How much? 65. But for making you confused, they have given another hint here. There was still 220 pages left. For this question, that is no need. For this question, this is enough. For this question, this is enough. 65 is the correct answer. Okay, children? Next question, children. So here, how many pages were there in the storybook? How many pages were there in the storybook? Here, what she has done, Priya, what she has done? She has done 38 pages on Monday. So on Tuesday, so just now we have seen 38 plus 27, 65 pages on Tuesday, 38 pages on Monday, still 220 pages left. Still 220 pages left. So here, how many pages were there in the storybook? So means, so here, 1 minute. So here, 38 on Monday, 65 on Tuesday, still 220 pages left. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 we will keep here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 we will keep here. 2, 1 plus 3. 323. So total number of pages in the storybook were 323. So next, C option is the correct answer. So next. So how many pages Priya read on Monday and Tuesday? Monday 38, Tuesday 65. Altogether, if we add means how many? 103. So 103 pages, 103 pages she reads on both Monday and Tuesday together. Next, we have next passage. Here. So what is second question? So large numbers are used immensely in our daily life, such as measuring the length of big object as train, distance between two given places, weight of rice bag, weight of ship, amount of juice in a glass. Like this, so many quantities are measured in our daily life with the help of large numbers. Now here, based on that large numbers, we have a question. Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 15,030. So 15,030 runs in test matches, 18,111 runs in one-day cricket match. So these runs are made in test match. These runs are made in one-day match. The total number of runs scored by him altogether is what? If we add both, 0 plus 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 we will carry here, 1, 1 plus 1, 3. 33,141. C option is the correct answer. Next. A hotel has 15 liters of milk, 25 milliliters of milk, 15 liters of milk. This is first statement. Next, 25 milliliters of milk is required to prepare a cup of coffee. Then, total number of cups of coffee can be made with the milk is what? Total there is 15 liters of milk. Means 15 into 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Means 15,000 milliliters of milk is there. So for preparing one cup of coffee, we need 25 ml of milk. So this total milk is useful for making how many cups of coffee? So 15,000 ml by 25 ml. So ml cancel. So 25 6 times 150, 00, 600. So we can make 600 cups of coffee. Next question. So the total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg, 400 grams. Then weight of each packet how much? So here 5 biscuit packets, weight is 8 kg 400 grams. So then what about one biscuit packet cost? So 8 kg 400 grams by 5, or we can write it as 8,400 grams because 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So 8 kg equals to 8,000 grams plus 400 grams. 8,400 grams by 5. If we divide, 5 1 is 5, 3 remaining 34, 5 6 times 30, 5 8 40, 1680 grams we will get. Or, so we can write it as 1 kg 680 grams. 1 kg 680 grams. So 1680 grams. Here it is kg, children. Please change it as kg. 1 kg 680 grams. Both are correct. But it is single correct answer type because comprehension questions are single correct. So both B and C. So only D option. Only D option is the correct answer here. So next, third passage. So estimate to nearest 1000 or 100. Nearest 1000 or 100. So nearest 1000, 1314. So between 1000 and between 2000. So 1314 is between 1000 and 2000. Between number is 1500. 1314 is to the left of 1500. So we can take it as 1000 plus 272 means between 200 and 300. Between number 250. 272 is to the right of 250. So we can take 300. Sum how much? 1300. If we take to nearest 1000, answer is 1300. So there is no correct option. So let's see nearest 100. 1314. So nearest 100 is 1400. 272. Nearest 100 is 300. So what is the answer? 1700 is the correct answer. 1700 is the correct answer. C option is the correct answer. Next. Estimate the difference of 8001, 457. Estimate the difference of. So estimate the difference of 8001, 457. So they have not mentioned. Nearest 10 or 100 they have not mentioned. Let's subtract directly. From 1, 7 we cannot remove, we can take 1 borrow. From 11, 7 goes means 4. Here 9 will be there, 9 minus 5, 4. Here 9 will be there, 9 minus 4, 5. Here 7 will be there, 7,544. 7,544. So nearest hundreds, 7,500 we can take. Nearest 100, 7,500 we can take. D option is the correct answer. Next. Estimate the difference of 6995 3068. 6995 3068. Here also they have not mentioned nearest 10 or 100. So we have to subtract directly. From 5 we cannot remove 8. So we have to borrow. From 15, 8 goes means 7. Here 8 will be there. 8 minus 6, 2. Here 9 will be there. 9 minus 0, 9. Here 6 will be there. 6 minus 3, 3. 3927. 3927. So estimate. Estimate means we have to make it rounded off to nearest 0. If not mentioned any hint means we can round it off to nearest 0. So 4000. D option is the correct answer. 4000 is the correct answer. So next, matrix matching type. Here also children, matrix matching type, MMT. So here also each question can have one or more answers. If total answer is correct, for each one you will get 2 marks. Otherwise, 0 mark. If total answer is correct, you will get 2 marks. For incomplete answers, for wrong answers, you will be getting 0 mark. So L, XXXV. So L stands for 50. 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. So D option, 85 is the correct answer. Next, XL. XL stands for 40. IX stands for 9. So 40 plus 9, 49. C option, correct answer. Triple X, 30. VIII, 8. 30 plus 8, 38. B option is the correct answer. Next, XL, 40. V, 5. 40 plus 5, 45. A option is the correct answer. Here we are having all single answers, but there may be cases where you can have more answers. Next. Here. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, how much? 1000 meters. So, C option. 1000 meter. But meter equal to 100 centimeter. We can write 1 after 50 centimeter. But here, but again centimeter equals to millimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Means we can write in the form of 1 after 60 millimeters. 1 after 60 millimeters also we can write 1 kilometer. So 1000 meters also correct. C option is also correct. 1 after 6 zeros. This millimeter. E option also correct. So answers are C comma E. 2 options are possible. Next. Next children. Next, 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. So A option is the correct answer, 10 millimeters. 1 kiloliter, kilo stands for 1000. 1000 liters. D option is the correct answer. 100 centimeter. So 100 into centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So we can write 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter. B option is the correct answer. B option is the correct answer. Next children. Next. So estimate the product of 45 into 67. 7 5 times 35, 7 4 times 28, plus 5 33. We can keep into here. 6 5 times 30, 6 4 times 24, 27. So 5 3 10 3 3035. 3035. So there is no near number. Or 45, if you round it to 50, 67, if you round it to 70, then 3500. C option, 3500 is the correct answer. Next, estimate 283 divided by 7. So 283 divided by 7. 7 4 times, 28, 3. Here direct 740 times 280. 3 is remaining. So 40, approximately 40 is the answer, approximately. So A option 40. Estimate 1314 plus 272. How much? 1586. So estimate how much B. 1580 we can take. 1580 we can take. So next, just approximately we are taking the answers based on the options. If it given like a question, you have to do the complete steps. Just approximation we have taken here. 2308 divided by 65. 2308 divided by 65. 65 across approximately 32 point something will come. So we can take 33 as answer. We can take 33 as answer, D option. So here E option is having 4-digit number. Now C option is a 4-digit number. So here we can write C comma E, because the estimated of this product is a 4-digit number, or 3500. 3500. Okay, 1580. 1580 also 4-digit number. So B option. There also we can write E option. B comma E is the right answer. Next. So level 3 questions, children. Here you will get statement type of questions. So you will be given 2 statements. Both of them may be true, both of them may be false. One is true, second is false, or second is false, first is true. Like that you have to find the answer. So 60th question. So estimation to the sum to nearest 10. They have mentioned nearest 10. So 64, nearest 10 is 60. 79, nearest 10 is 80. What is their sum? 140. So the sum is, estimation of sum is 140. Correct. So the estimation of product, 42. Nearest number what? 40. 68. Nearest 10 what? 60. 40 into 60, 2400. These also correct. Both the statements are true. A option is the correct option. So next. So the estimation of difference to nearest 100 is 400. 673, nearest 100, 700. 258, nearest 100, 300. Difference 400. Correct. Estimated quotient for 627 divided by 23 is 30. 627, nearest 10, 630 we can write, divided by 23, nearest 20 we can write. So 630 divided by 20, 0, 0, cancel. 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 31.5. We are getting 31.5. We are getting 31.5, but they have given 30. It's wrong. It's wrong. So first statement is true, correct. Second statement is false. So C option is the right answer. Next. So when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of larger value, the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. So as in this case, suppose or if you take XL, what does it mean? X is the smaller value, L is the larger value. Smaller value is written to the left of larger value. It means that smaller value 10 to be subtracted from larger value 50. Correct. Statement 1 is correct. The value of LD. LD how much? L stands for 50. D stands for 500. How much? 450. But they have given 350. So which is wrong. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. So C option is the correct answer. C option is the correct answer. Actually, we should not write LD. LD in this form we should not write. Because for 450 we have what? 450 means 400 plus 50. How to 400 plus 50? How to write 400? 400 means CD. 50 how to write L? CDL. But LD is the wrong form of representation. Next, statement 1. When a letter is used more than once in Roman system, we add its value each time to get the number. Correct. Because if we write XIII, what does it mean? 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We have to add. We have to add all. In a Roman numeral, the numeral CCC can be converted into Hindu Arabic number 300. Correct. Because C can be repeated 3 times. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. Both the statements are true. A option is the right answer. Next, we will get this type of questions. Integer answer type questions. So there will be no options, but answer may be positive integer or negative integer. The Hindu Arabic numeral of so CCC XL III is how much? So C stands for 100, another C 100, another C 100. XL stands for 40 minus 1 minute. XL stands for 50 minus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 300 plus 50 minus 10, 40 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 343. So answer is 343. Answer is 343. So next, the value of the IX 9, XV 15, XX 20. So 9 plus 15, 24 plus 20, 44. 44 is the right answer. Next, the value of DXXX. D value 500. X value 10 plus 10 plus 10. Total how much? 510. In a Hindu Arabic system, the value is 530. Total value 530. Okay children, these are the questions. So we have completed all level 1, level 2, level 3. All questions we have completed. So next, it's a project time. So what is the project here? To find out the place value of 5-digit number through abacus. So if you have abacus, then with abacus, we have to do the project work. So here our objective is to find the place value of 5-digit number. So what is our aim with that objective? To show. So to show and represent 24,361, a 5-digit number on abacus, to find out the place value of each digit on the abacus. So for this, what are the materials required? Drawing sheets, colored tapes, sticker bindis, and abacus. So abacus also we need. So take a drawing sheet. So paste 5 colored tapes at equal intervals having equal lengths. Mark 5 colored tapes as different place values, 1s, 10s. Because with the drawing sheet only they are making abacus. So that's why no need of abacus here. So like this, we have to take 5 tapes of different colors. So 5 we have to arrange like this. So this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place, 10,000 place. Like that we have to mark them. So now put. So now what is the number they have given? 24,000. They have given number 24,631 to be represented on this abacus. So what we will do? In units place, ones place we have 1. So in one place we will put 1 bindi at ones place. Next tens place, 24, 361. Tens place 6 bindis. 1 minute. Tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At equal intervals we will keep 6 bindis. Now 100 place 3 bindis. Thousands place 4 bindis. 10,000 place 2 bindis. So in this way we can represent the 5-digit number on the abacus. We need drawing sheets, colored tapes and sticker bindis. So from the abacus we can observe that place value of 1 is 1, place value of 3 is, place value of 6 is, we have to multiply 6 into 10, 60. Place value of 3 is 3 into, it is in hundreds place, so 3 into 100, 300. Place value of 4 is, it is in thousand place, so 4 into 1000, 4000. Place value of 2 is, it is in 10,000 place, 2 into 10,000, 20,000. So like that we can find the place values. So by this we can know that place values of digits may vary from place to place. But place value does not change. Place value of the digit change. But ones place always it will be there only. Tens place always 10 only. Hundreds place always its value 100 only. This place value does not change. But in hundreds place, if 3 is there, its value will be 300. If 4 is there, its value will be 400. If 5 is there, its value will be 500. So place value of the digit changes, but not the place value. So you can perform the above activity for 6-digit number also. Okay children, that's all for today. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So share this video with your friends children. If they are missing the live class, they can through your share they can watch the video. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.